You know I'm trying to take a picture. Zah. Okay, this is going to be a very pretty picture. I wish I didn't have all the claw guards on the tree, and it would be a prettier picture. And I'm trying to figure out, maybe I could do something like that instead. Wait a minute. What kind of picture do I want? I want the sunshine. I wish I didn't have the tree guards, but I've got a beast on the property. Maybe that'll, well, let me think through this. Let's see.
Hello.
I'll get some.
Yes. Your arrival has been heard, my darling. Okay. Look at Voo-Voo. Look at Voo. Alright, let's look out the window some. It's gorgeous, Zsa-Zsa. It's gorgeous. Man, everything glows. I love springtime. It looks like history repeats itself, except when I try to videotape it. Things were blowing around out here, all up in the air. A little white grocery bag just flew by a few moments ago. Well, let's go get a closer look, since it's not going to fly around for me. Look at my crimson clover. I love that stuff. Look at the alliums. They are busting loose. Look at that. Feels great. Hey, girl. Get that sunshine. Hold your eyes. Gorgeous. I don't know if you can hear the church bells. See if you can hear it. I guess that's it. No more bells. Let's see if I can see the church steeple. It's hard to tell. Okay, I'm doing a little bit of...
I just want y'all to see something.
Loading things up, and look at my girl. She
Right about that
sits...
bird.
She sits right there.
I was looking at my fig.
So this is how I do my work.
Look.
This is how I do my work with my girl.
Now I can't eat it.
Hey, Zsa-Zsa, I know you're clawing to get up in my video. Put your tail in my face. Quit smacking my face with it. Move, Zsa-Zsa. Move, girl. Get up. Okay. It's, April. It's not April 15th yet. I am still exerting patience and doing a little bitty bit of snacking on yard work. I'm focusing on structure, pruning, spreading my limbs to where they're at the right angle, to where the fruit is the sweetest. I think it's 90 degrees. See, you can see, one of my friends is like, why do you have bricks hanging from your trees? And it's to keep the limbs down. And then today, I'm working in the front yard trying to make it pretty. And my every little muscle in my body is screaming, don't do that. Because I did that all day yesterday and my whole body aches. But I'm making progress. And I want things to look better. And it's gonna look better. And oh, Zsa-Zsa. Let me get this thing started.